In this video, I'll show you how to use your Sony WF-C510. I'll show you how to connect them to your phone, how to get the Sony app and change a few settings on them, how to charge them, how to reset them, and also how to control your music directly on your earbuds using the buttons on each of them. So let's get started right away. So the first step is to make sure that both earbuds are in the case. Then close the lid, open the lid, whoops, okay. Once the lid is open, you're gonna notice in the back of the case there is a button. Press on that button until the light in front over here is flashing blue. Then you can release the button. So let's do it together. I'm pressing that button and taking a look at the light here. Okay, it's flashing blue. I can release my finger from the button. The earbuds are in pairing mode. Leave them with the case open. Now on your phone, we need to do this quite quickly. You have about a minute or two. Go into the Bluetooth settings. So over here, settings, then connection, then Bluetooth. And from here, depending which model of Android you have, you may have a button on the top right saying pair. Click on pair or scan, sometimes it says. Once you do this, you should see at the bottom of the Bluetooth list available devices and then your earbuds over here, WF-C510 or C710N. Click on them. It will start pairing, then select pair on your phone. And they will be added to this list of all the paired devices. If you see this message appearing, press save. Now, if you're on Android, they will ask you to download the Sony app for your earbuds to have access to more features. I highly recommend you do this. It may suggest you to download it on the screen, like here. I'll press download and it will bring you to the Sony Sound Connect app where you can install it. But if it does not ask you, just go into the Google Play Store and search for Sony Sound Connect. Let me show you the app. Quickly, I will install it. You can put your earbuds in your ears at this point because they are linked together. You can even start listening to music or movies. Okay, I have opened the app and over here, just click I read above and click start. Click agree and proceed. Agree, start using. Press OK. Press allow. You're going to see your earbuds over here. Press OK. Press later. Click continue without restoring. Press next. You can even quit. This is just a quick tutorial how to change the ear tips. And here we go. This is the main screen of the app and you can see your model here. You can see the battery life in each of them, which is quite cool. You can press show. Okay. And now you have the battery life left in the case. You can control ambient sound or off or noise cancellation if you have the C710N. You can even have an equalizer over here where you can change the different settings. And you have other settings that you can change. If you want to update your earbuds, over here it will say the latest audio device software is available. Click on more info, press OK, and it will bring you to the update page where you'll be able to do it. And I highly suggest it. Open your music streaming app like I just did. And just for reference, this is the right earbud, this is the left one. If you want to switch from transparency mode, which means that you're going to hear what's happening outside of your earbuds because it will use the mic on them. You need to press once on the left earbud like this and you're going to notice a difference. If you want to play pause, take your right earbud, on your right earbud, press once and the music will start playing. If you want to pause, press another time on the right earbud. If you want to skip to the next track, double press the right earbud. By doing this, it will skip to the next song and you can do this many times until you find the one you want to listen. If you want to go back to the previous track, you need to press 3 times on the right earbud. You're going to go to the previous track. Here it didn't go, let me redo it. You really need to click quick. That's a thing that I've noticed on these. You cannot take a pause between each click, if not it will not work. You need to click quick like this, and then it will be able to go to the previous one or the next song. If you want to increase the volume, what we need to do is to press 4 times or more on the right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And by doing this, you see, it has increased the volume. If you want to increase it a lot, then press 6 or 7 times. 3, 4, 5, 6. And it has increased a lot more this time, you see? If you want to lower the volume, do the same thing, but on the left side earbud. So if you just want to lower it a bit, press 4 times. First of all, if you want to charge them, unfortunately, they don't come with a cable or a charger in the box. You have to provide your own charger and cable. I'll put links in the description if you don't have any of these, so you can purchase them. Overall, the concept is put both earbuds in the case, close the case, connect your USB Type-C cable in the USB Type-C port in the back of the case, like that. And now depending, this cable may be USB Type-C on the other hand, or maybe it's a USB Type-A. Depending on which one of these you have, you'll need a charger like this one, could be smaller as well, where you connect the cable, and then the other end, well, let me connect it to a wall outlet. And by the way, you don't necessarily need a charger. You can also connect the other end of this cable in a computer or other devices that will help you charge them, like a PS5, for example. It will be able to charge them. Also important to note, these earbuds are not compatible with fast charging. So even if you have a fast charger like this one, it's a 30 watts, it will not go faster compared that if you have a 5 watts charger. So let me just connect it. So once you have connected the case with the earbuds to the charger that is also connected to a power source, you're gonna get an orange light in the front. This means that they are charging. Once it's finished, when it's done charging, this light will turn off. It will not turn green. Don't expect a green light over here. It will simply turn off, signifying that you can unplug them from the charger and start using them because the battery is full. The time of charging of these earbuds, let's say one of them is completely dead, it's at 0%. If you want to bring from 0 to 100%, it will take around an hour and a half to charge. This case is not capable of wireless charging, so there is no way of simply putting it like this on a charging pad and charging it like more expensive earbuds. First, make sure both of them are inserted in the case. Second, close the lid and open the lid. Third, go in the back of the case and you're gonna notice there is a button right over here on the left side of the charger port. Press on that button and watch the small light in the front. It needs to flash red. Keep your button pressed over here until it stops flashing red. Let me demonstrate so it makes more sense. So right now I'm currently pressing the button and I'm looking very closely to this light in the front. I still keep it pressed. It's flashing blue, do not release the button, okay? Even if it's flashing blue, do not release. I am still pressing. Okay, it's flashing red, I'm still pressing until it stops. Here we go, it stopped flashing red, now I can release the back button. They have now been factory resetted. Next step, well, it will be to put them in pairing mode, so you can connect them with your smartphone and other device. So what you need to do now is to press the same button, that one, but once you see flashing blue, you stop pressing. This will mean they are in pairing mode. So let's do it. I'm pressing that button. I'm looking at the light Okay, it's flashing blue. I can release the button and now they're in pairing mode. You can go on your smartphone, go into the Bluetooth settings, and you'll be able to find them, connect them, and start using. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like. Go on my Amazon links in the description if you want to get a pair or accessories like a charger for your earbuds, and I'll see you in the next video.